Annyeonghaseyo, good morning Kinshin.
Annyeonghaseyo, good morning.
So today was your 13th days to receive 50 pesos from Chocominim.
Chocominim, kamsahamnida.
Okay, kamsahamnida Chocominim. Bye bye.
Jaira! Jaira! Why are you crying, Jai? Jaira! Oh my god. We're actually doing an exam for the level 1 student. So Jaira is crying because instead of getting 20/20 score, she got 19. So she was crying because of the one mistake. So I don't know what to say. Jaira, that's totally fine, Jai. We're still learning. So next time, if you're gonna aim a perfect score, you can do it, okay? Jai, don't cry, Jai. Wag gani na others magani did not cry na. That is their scores. So let's give a round of applause for Kazel, Jaira, Jaika, and Kobe for getting 19. Round of applause, sad mo, oy. 19. So, only one mistake. And let's give a round of applause to Giselle, Chandria, Jairis, Alona, and Berto for getting 18 and 17 scores. Desiree, Jairis, 17, Berto 18, Chandria 17, Giselle 18, Jaika 19, and Kobe 19, and Alona 17. And we also have here JE 15, Alisa 16, Irene 12, Janine 11, and Faith 16, 6. So, clap gyapon ta. Let's clap. Let's give ourselves a round of applause. A round of applause, ana. Nagtuyok ang clap. Na. Okay then. So, yeah, good job gyapon. Good job, okay? So, Jai, don't cry na ha. You only have one mistake. Don't cry na. Ha? Oh my god. She's so sad for the one mistake. Anyway, so today is Friday. We're gonna have our day off. Rest day for Sunday and Saturday. So please do enjoy your Saturday and Sunday because maybe on Monday you already have formal school class. Okay? Okay, so kamsahamnida.
Answer sa number 1. Number 2. 3. Number 4. Barks. 5. Teaches. Cooks. Ang chef, kay ka naman ang maluto. Sings. Number 9.
Reads.
Helps. Ang nurses, kay ka nang kuhan mo tabang. Ang 13. Paints. 14. Wins. 15. Sunod. Plays. Sunod. Right. Sunod. Dances. Okay. 20/20 ha. Oh, wrong. Ang food kay now na ng food. Kisay natira, Desiree.
Jairis. Gizel. Janine.
What's up? Jairis.
Gizel. Ito spelling, Hazel. Ano man to yung spelling din? Dayon? Janine.
Sana si Irene. Irene.
Ang noun kay kuha na siya. Ngan sa person, sa animal, sa places. And then ang verb kay action word. And then pronoun is identified. Ikuan siya ha, ibay kolom ha.
Figures made from leather or paper.